Xiamen Dorrella Health Technology Company Limited is a professional supplier of medical device, orthopedic products, sports brace, rehabilitation equipment, compression stockings, etc. Teams with over 13 years of experience. We can do OEM and ODM orders, and we are dedicated to improving our products to ensure the highest level of quality. Located in Xiamen City, Fujian Province, with convenient transportation access. In addition, our products have received CE and MDR certifications, and our cooperative factory has been certified with ISO 13485 and BSCI. Our products are exported to clients in countries and regions such as the United States, Europe, South America, Middle East, Australia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Africa, Asia, and other countries. We are committed to providing reasonable prices, superior quality, efficient production time, and exceptional after-sales service and prompt delivery. Our dedication to quality and service has resulted in a vast customer base, and we are confident that we can fully meet your requirements. Whether you are selecting current products from our catalogs or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can discuss your sourcing needs with our customer service center. We believe that our commitment to quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction is what sets us apart. We offer a complete, one-stop service to our clients and are committed to helping ambitious representatives represent our products and achieve success in the marketplace.